Hi there, welcome to my channel Maths SL. I'm speaking Thaqib Latif. This is the November 2019. This is a very interesting question. The curve with equation passes through the point A, which is coordinates is 2 and B. Determine the equation of the line perpendicular to the tangent to the curve at A. I'll show you how to solve this question. The first of all, I need to find the uh, y coordinates of point A. So I'm gonna substitute this x equal to 2 into this equation to find the y value, that will be the b. So substitute x equal to 2 in here. So it's gonna be y is equal to 2 plus 12 over 2. Place of x I substitute 2. Now I'm gonna solve use the calculator. So the answer is gonna be 8. So therefore the a we got now 2 and 8. So the b value we find already, which is 8 now. Now we need to find the derivative of the curve equation. Find the slope of the tangent, so the gradient of the tangent at point A. So obviously I'm gonna differentiate with respect to x. So first I have to rearrange here. Y is equal to x plus 12x negative 1. Must remember the x I pull up become x negative 1. Now dy over dx, I'm gonna differentiate with respect to x, is 1 minus 12x negative 2. Must remember I apply the derivative. Negative 1 times 12 is negative 12. Negative 1 minus 1 negative 2. Now I'm gonna write in positive exponents. 1 minus 12 over x power 2. So I have the derivative now. Now I have to substitute x value here, which is equal to 2, because I need to find the gradient of this line, which I don't have. So I put the x equal to 2, sub x equal to 2 into this equation. So it's going to be that's going to be the gradient of the tangent. Why I say this one? Must remember the derivative of the graph is equal to the gradient of the tangent. So must remember the derivative is a gradient. So we find already the derivative. So that's going to be the gradient of the tangent, that tangent line. So x equal to 2. Put place of x 2 power 2. The answer is going to be, use the calculator, negative 2. Must remember we calculate the slope of the tangent at point A. We substitute x equal to 2 into the derivative, and there we have. Now we need to determine the gradient of the perpendicular line. Must remember that line is a perpendicular. So now we need to find the gradient of the perpendicular line. So first we invert. So obviously under is 1 here. If you invert, so the gradient of the perpendicular line is going to be, first invert, become 1 over 2, and then we change the sign that to become positive. So this is the gradient of the perpendicular line, or you can use this formula if you want to. M tan multiply m perpendicular is equal to negative 1. M10 we have already, which is negative 2, multiply m perpendicular line negative 1. So now we're gonna find the gradient of the perpendicular line. So it's gonna be negative 1 divided by negative 2. The answer gonna be 1 over 2. Same answer, you can use either way. This is invert method, first one, and the second one I put in the formula. You can use any method, the answer is going to be same. I just want to demonstrate to show you that this is the graph, and obviously the tangent only touch the graph once, and this is the line y is equal to mx plus c, which is perpendicular to tangent and passing through the point A, which is coordinates is 2 and 8. So now we need to find the equation of this line. Y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. I'm going to use this formula, and I do have the point A, which I find earlier, 2 and 8, and the gradient I'm gonna use this perpendicular line 1 over 2. So y minus 8 is equal to, the gradient is 1 over 2 x minus 1. So the y negative 8, 1 over 2 x minus 1 over 2. 1 over 2x minus 1 over 2. Therefore, y is equal to 1 over 2x, negative 1 over 2, negative 8 become positive 8. Therefore, the y is going to be equal to 1 over 2x. I use the calculator, the answer going to be plus 7. So this is my final answer. Please like and subscribe my channel. If you have any question, comment below. I will assist you. Have a nice day.